What I've been sent is this, what we call TIG Brush Quad brush adapter. So it's a piece of stainless steel which allows you to screw 4 of the brushes in. Then you've got extra wide brush. Here's the insulating shroud that goes over, and this would go on to the TIG brush handle. What it allows me to do is sweep across broad sections of a surface. So I'm working on some very thin stainless steel sheet which has got some light tea staining rust on it, sort of spots of rust here and there. And what we want to do is brush over the surface with this. Because there's 4 brushes on there, the power of the TIG brush is dissipated between the 4 brushes, so it's not so strong. We're within a mile of the sea here, and the stainless steel sculptures that have been outside for, well, some parts for 18 months are subject to salt wind coming off the sea. So we do get light staining, tea staining, and small rust spots on the, even though it's a marine grade stainless steel, we still get it. Right, behind me there is a Port Glasgow Sculpture, and it's clad in sheet metal 316. This is where we're going to try this out on. We need to set the machine up so as to a wide, instead of a single brush, it's a wide brush. So we're set up there, ready to go. So we'll try this largest section where we've got some spot welds with a spot welder that's welded a bracket on the back of that sheet, and we'll just see how the quad brush works with these. Looks as though I need a bit more of a pass. What I don't want is overheat the metal surface, because it does, with a single brush, it tends to mark it, and it lifts off the to-be finish. Neutralizer. Wipe off. Right, we returned to this area on the leg of the sculpture, which we cleaned yesterday with the quad brush of the TIG brush, and it's basically, it's nice and dry now, and we can get a good close look at it and see the difference the quad brush made. And we're going to go in close and have a look at what difference it made on the surface of the stainless steel, what it did to get rid of the tea staining and the light rust stains that were on there, and see before and after basically. So if we're going close on the place where we were cleaning yesterday in this section, you can see the bottom half, which was like the top half. There's quite a difference, it's quite distinct. You can see our spot welds. You can see our spot welds cleaned up, and the light tea staining and things like that. It doesn't wash off with a power washer, you have to use chemicals on it, and this electro-polishing brush has easily got rid of those marks. But have the main surface area in the middle cleaned up very nicely. And the cockle agrees too. So I'm well pleased with that quad brush.